Yesterday, I gave this community post tab for my all YouTube members, wherein the community post specifically described about the YESBANK FPO. I asked everyone that should I be making a separate video on that, and guess what? I received 28,000 votes, and out of that, 86% of the people said yes. We want a video on YESBANK. No, we want a video on YESBANK. Okay, so here we are with a YESBANK FPO special video. Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a brand new video on YESBANK FPO. So first of all, let's understand what's an FPO. FPO is a further public offer, also called as a follow-on public offer. Okay, so what is FPO in most simplest terms? It's something like when a company wants to raise funds again. Why am I using the word again? Because the very first time when it raises funds through general public, people like you and me, through institutional investors, then it is called as an IPO when it raises for the very first time, initial public offer. It raises the public through IPO, it gets listed on the stock exchange, and after getting listed on the stock exchange, if it wants to again raise funds from public, from people like you and me, from institutional investors, then it is called as an FPO. Okay, so I hope this point is clear. Just to give you a Bollywood comparison, like whenever a hero is introduced in any movie, so for example, I remember when Hrithik Roshan was introduced in which was that movie, Kaho Na Pyar Hai. At that time, you can imagine the title. It used to be Introducing Hrithik Roshan. That's the first time. So that's like an IPO. But in his second movie, Fizza, it was given as starring Hrithik Roshan. So starring is what? Now second time is appearing. That's like an FPO. So like he can appear in many number of more movies. Similarly, a company can come up with an FPO multiple number of times as well. So it's not like one time IPO, one time FPO, story over. No. One time IPO, obviously yes, but FPO can be multiple number of times as well. Okay, so I hope this point, a small quick comparison with Bollywood is also understood. But then still there might be some confusion as to, is it similar to a rights issue? Because rights issue is also something wherein the company is raising funds from people like you and me, from institutional investors. Then how is it different from an FPO? See, understand, rights issue is an issue where existing shareholders are allowed to apply. Okay, if you remember, the latest rights issue which I had covered on my channel was about Reliance. So I did participate in the rights issue because I was holding the shares of Reliance Industries, or I had to purchase the right at least. Okay, I made a detailed video on that. But if I'm talking about an FPO, I need not be an existing investor to apply for the FPO. In simple words, I don't hold even one share of YESBANK in my portfolio right now. But if I want, I can still go ahead and apply for the FPO. Okay, so I hope you have understood this difference between rights and FPO as well. One more point I wanted to talk is why YESBANK is coming up with an FPO. Is there, what is the need for this FPO for YESBANK right now? It is very clearly mentioned by them in one of their filing that they are in need of funds right now. They want to strengthen the capital base, and that is why they are wanting to raise money through this FPO. If you remember that there was a big downfall of YESBANK, and after which SBI had invested almost 49%, and SBI was joined by ICICI, HDFC and few more banks, wherein they said hum saath saath hai. And now not only banks, many people like you and me are also going to say hum saath saath hai, because many people might apply for this FPO. But before you apply for the FPO, you must understand few basic points like fundamentals of YESBANK. Are they really good or not? I have again made a separate video on my channel itself on fundamental analysis of YESBANK. In fact, it went very amazing. I can say it went kind of viral. It had so many views in such a short span. I remember at that time, I guess the share was trading around at 60 rupees, and I said, I just can't imagine this share at 60 rupees. Maybe when it comes down to something like 40, 45, I talked about these levels, 40, 45 levels at that time. And here we are, where the share is right now trading. Today only I'm recording the video. Today only this video will be released. I just checked the share price right now. It's 20 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, so I can't just imagine like where 40, 60, and today it is at 20 rupees, right? So if you want to understand about this company fundamentally, I request that you should go and watch this video first and then come back to this video for further details. Okay, so now going ahead, I'll just quickly tell you the conclusion of that video if you don't want to watch right now. The conclusion is that fundamentally, I just don't like this bank. It doesn't have good position. The NPA position is really bad. So if you ask me, fundamentally it's a buy or ignore category. It's obviously an ignore category. Fundamentally, it's not at all a good bank, is what I feel as per the balance sheet P&L analysis. Okay. But if we were to talk about this this opportunity of FPO, is it worth investing or not? For that, we need to understand the FPO details. Okay, there are certain details we need to understand as to when is the FPO starting, what is the lot size and all that. So for that, let us check out this table quickly. Here you can see that the FPO details, it starts on 15th of July, that is today. Okay, and the bid offer closes on 17th of July. So you have still 2 more days in hand to take your decision. After the finalization of basis of allotment, which will happen on 22nd of July, the shares will be credited to your demat account on 24th July. And this IPO, they have given IPO, but it is actually FPO. FPO will be listed on 27th of July. Okay. Now, why did I tell this in detail? Please understand this. Even if you apply today, shares will not get immediately credited to your demat account. Okay. Shares will get credited to your demat account on 24th July. When will they get listed? These shares will get listed on 27th of July. So there's a big time frame. 6 more trading days are there in between before today and the actual listing date. Okay. So is this really relevant? So answer is obviously yes. We are going to talk about a small math which I tried to do. Okay. So first of all, few more details. Let's understand what is the minimum lot size. Okay. See, minimum lot size you can see here is 1000 shares. So you can invest in 1000 shares or in multiples of that, 1000, 2000, 3000, so on and so forth. Okay. What is the price band? Price band is 12 rupees to 13 rupees. Okay. And if you're an employee of YESBANK, then you get an additional 1 rupee discount. So good for all the employees of YESBANK as well. Now, if you were to apply for the 13 rupees category, what will be the minimum investment for you? 13 into 1000. So 13,000 will be your minimum investment. Okay. So I hope all the basic details are clear. When does the issue start? When does it end? That is clear. Minimum 1000 shares you have to invest. Minimum amount to be invested in that case will be 13,000 rupees. That is also clear. This will be available for trading from 27th of July. That is also clear. Now the big question, shall I buy or not? Okay. Before we go on to that, please understand, even if you have to buy that, obviously you need a demat account. If you don't have a demat account, always remember you have the description links in, you have the links in the description box. Zerodha Upstocks, both these links are available in the description box. So don't forget to open your demat account if you don't have one even till now. Okay. So going ahead with the discussion, I just did a small mathematics. Just understand my logic behind this. Okay. 10th of July was the day before which the announcement of FPO was done. Okay. On 10th of July, the share price closed at 25 rupees 50 paise. 10th of July. Okay. This is 15th of July. Share price closed at 25 rupees 50 paise. Today, as I'm recording the video on 15th of July, which is just 3 trading sessions after 10th of July, today it is trading at 20 rupees 50 paise. So it is down by 20%. 20% down in 3 trading sessions. Okay. Why do we need to understand this? Please, please, please pay attention. This is the most important part of the video. Okay. What happens is that if you are wanting to buy this share, everyone feels this is such a golden opportunity. Right now it is trading at 20 rupees. This IPO or this FPO is available in the range of 12 rupees to 13 rupees. So easy. Buy at 12 to 13 rupees, 12, 13 rupees, whatever, and sell at 20 rupees. Why not? Such a golden opportunity to invest. But wait, understand this mathematics. In 3 trading sessions, this share has lost already 20% of its value. If we extrapolate this, okay, as I mentioned, you have 6 more days to go. Okay. So if this same things happen, if this same thing happens, then what? Are you able to visualize? There is a possibility that this share price might fall 40% more as compared to today's price. Where did this 40% come from? As I mentioned, there are 7 days, sorry, not 6 days. There are 7 days before this share lists on the stock exchange. 7 trading days is what I'm talking about. Okay. So normal mathematics, if the share price is falling 20% in 3 trading sessions, okay, then in 7 trading sessions, it has to fall a little bit over 40%. Normal mathematics. Okay. If that be so, what is the price after the 40% fall? So 20 rupees 50 paisa minus 40% of 20 rupees 50 paisa comes up to 12 rupees and 30 paisa. Okay. So if the stock price falls with the same pace after 7 days, mathematically, I'm saying mathematically, the price will be 12 rupees 30 paisa. And what is the FPO band? It is 12 rupees to 13 rupees. Makes no sense. Okay. I hope you're understanding the math behind this. But then a question comes up is, really, Do you feel that it will fall at the same pace as it fell in the last 3 trading sessions? I personally feel that it should not happen. If it has fallen by 20% in last 3 days, doesn't mean it will fall at the same pace 40% in another 6 to 7 trading sessions, right? So I feel that there will still be a small gap of 1 to 2 rupees in which you can play. Okay, so even if you get 1 rupee, okay, means what? See, it is at 12 to 13 rupees right now. Okay, even if the stock corrects from 20 rupees to 14 rupees till the listing date, you will get 1 rupee. Okay, now you'll say, she, for 1 rupee I'm going to do all these things. Wait, 1 rupee per share on an investment of 13 rupees per share, that's almost like 9% return in what, less than 9 days. Why not? Who is going to give you so good return? So YESBANK temporarily can be like a party fund stock. Those who are my channel regular viewers, they know what is the concept of party fund stock. Don't stay invested for a long time. Get in, get out quickly, enjoy those short returns, enjoy, party. Okay, even if you lose those funds, it's okay. Anyways, it was treated as a party fund stock, so even if that money is lost, that is absolutely all right. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept. This last part of mathematics, if you have not understood, I request you to rewind and revise it, and then you will be able to understand that whether I should buy this or not. So my conclusion, what I would do is that yes, surely I'll consider this as a party fund stock. Maybe for that 1 rupee quick gains, I might enter it. So I can risk out a small portion of my capital. It's just an amount of 13,000 rupees for the minimum investment requirement. I can go ahead with that. You take your own call, do your own studies, and also remember this point, that there are no selling restrictions on these newly acquired shares. Okay, if you want to sell all the shares on one single day, on the same day of listing, it is absolutely allowed. I hope I have covered all the possible points related to FPO video in this short video on YESBANK FPO. It was a quickly delivered video. Yesterday I made this post. Yesterday I received so many votes stating that yes, please make a video, and that's why I made this video today. It will be published on our channel today itself. I hope you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with lots of your friends. Till then, Jai Hind and bye bye.